Students, today we are going to do the problems on conditional identities in transformations. So first in transformations we have some problems. So first problem, continuation of previous class. If cos x plus cos y equal to 3 by 5 and cos x minus cos y equal to 2 by 7, then show that 21 into tan of x minus y by 2 plus 10 into cot of x plus y by 2 equal to 0. It is very important model question in transformations. Okay, cos of x plus y is given, cos of x minus y is given. We have to prove this equation. So first listen carefully. This is first I am given equation cos of x plus y equal to 3 by 5. So LHS cos x plus cos y. So it is of the form cos c plus cos d. What is the formula? 2 into cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. Here c equal to x and d equal to what? Y. So apply the formula cos c plus cos d, that is 2 into cos of c plus d by 2 into c minus d by into cos of c minus d by 2, where c equal to x and d equal to y. So substitute in the formula, we get 2 into cos of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2 equal to 3 by 5, that is equation 2. Take this is equation 2. Next, second given equation is cos of x minus cos y equal to 2 by 7. So next slide, cos x minus cos y equal to 2 by 7. So it is of the form cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d formula, what is the cos c minus cos d? Minus 2 into sin of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2, where c equal to x and d equal to y. Same here also, c and d values same, but it is cos c minus cos d formula. So substituting in this formula, we get minus 2 into sin of x plus y by 2 into sin of x minus y by 2 equal to 2 by 7, that is equation 4. So first equation I am taking, the third equation is the cos a plus cos d formula, second equation, and from the third equation we got cos c minus cos d, it is the fourth equation. To get our result, and our result is in the form of tan and cot. Tan of x minus y by 2 and cot of x plus y by 2 means in terms of tan theta and cot. So I am dividing equation 2 and 4. Equation 2 and 4, I am dividing equation 2 and 4. What is the equation 2? It is equation 2, 2 into cos of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2 equal to 3 by 5. That will comes in the numerator. Okay, this equation equal to 3 by 5 divided by 4th. What is the fourth equation? That is the fourth equation. We have to divide LHS RHS separately. That is minus 2 into sin of x plus y by 2 into sin of x minus y by 2 by 7. We are only 2 cancel. Remaining will be same. Only 2 cancelled out. And here this 2 and 2 cancel out, and cos of x plus y by 2 by sin of x plus y by 2 means cos theta by sin theta. What is the formula? Cot means cot of x plus y by 2, and cos of x minus y by 2 and sin of x minus y by 2, cos theta by sin theta, it is also cot theta. Okay, and it will be reciprocal, it will come as a 7 by 2. So next step, that is 2 cancel, cos of x plus y by 2 by sin of x plus y by 2 minus as it is cot of x plus y by 2, and cos of x minus y by 2 by sin of x minus y by 2 equal to cot of x minus y by 2. This becomes 3 by 5 into 7 by 2. This denominator becomes reciprocal, means 3 7 the 21 by 5 into 2 10, 21 by 10. And in our answer, if you see here, we got a total 2 terms are cot only, cot of x plus y by 2 and cot of x minus y by 2. So we have to observe our answer. What is the answer? Which term is cot and which term is the tan? Tan of x minus y by 2. X minus y by 2 is in tan ratio and x plus y by 2 is a cot ratio. So we have to convert x minus y by 2 terms in the tan and remaining x plus y by 2 is in the cot only. So x minus y by 2 we have to convert it into tan. So let us look at our result. Both are tan only. So x minus y by 2 we have to convert into tan. So this term we have to convert it into tan. Cot theta equal to what? 1 by tan theta. Instead of theta here x minus y by 2. So minus cot of x plus y by 2 as it is, and by into 1 by tan of x minus y by 2. Cot theta equal to 1 by tan. 21 by 10. Cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Then here cross multiplication. So 10 into this. So minus 10 into cot of x plus y by 2 and 21 into this. So 21 equal to 21 into tan of x minus y by 2. If this minus 10 into cot x plus y by 2 come to RHS, it becomes plus. Therefore 21 into tan of x minus y by 2 plus 10 into cot of x plus y by 2 equal to 0. This is the resultant equation. If in the solution, if it is given this is the in terms of tan, you have to convert this into tan. According to the what we have to prove, you have to look at the proof and you have to simplify the step. In this, listen carefully, I will repeat once again what is the process. In this question, first given cos x plus cos y is given, we expressed in the form of cos c plus cos d expanded, and it is equation 2. And from the given second equation, third equation, cos x minus cos y is given. From this, you have to cos c minus cos d expand by using formula and dividing 2 and 4 and simplify, you get the resultant answer. Next. Next, conditional identities. What is the conditional identity? Means an equation which is satisfies by certain conditions. If it is a true for certain conditions, then it is called a conditional identity. Identity means the equation which is true for all values of variables, but conditional identity means it is true for some condition only. Okay. From that we have the problems. Okay. First, in any triangle ABC, prove that sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C equal to 4 into sin A into sin B into sin C. Means it is a conditional identity. In a triangle ABC only it is true. In triangle ABC means if A plus B plus C equal to 180, then only this condition is true. Okay. We have to prove that condition in any triangle. So given in a triangle A plus B plus C equal to 180, that is A plus B plus C equal to 180, A plus B equal to 180 minus C. Okay. Given any triangle, in any triangle this condition is true. I am writing that as A plus B equal to 180 minus C. So I am calculating sin of A plus B, that is sin of 180 minus C. 180 minus C means sin 2 into 90 minus C. 2 is even number, sin becomes sin only, and in the 180 minus C means second quadrant. Second quadrant sin is positive, therefore it is sin C. That is equation 1. And cos of A plus B, that is cos of 180 minus C. A plus B means applying cos of 180 minus C, that is cos of 2 into 90 minus C. 2 is even number, so cos becomes cos only, and second quadrant cos is negative, therefore minus cos C. These two results are useful when we prove the LHS equal to RHS. Proof law, it will be very useful. That's why only I am calculating sin of A plus B, cos of A plus B in prior permission. Okay. Next, we will take LHS. Sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C LHS. So first two terms, I am taking first two terms, that is sin C plus sin D form. So 2 into sine of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2, where c equal to 2a and d equal to 2b. So substitute in the formula 2 into sine of 2a plus 2b by 2 into cos of 2a minus 2b by 2 plus sine 2c as it is. And here 2 is common. 2 common means we will get 2 outside, cancelled out, a plus b. Here also 2 cancelled out. That is 2 into sine of a plus b into cos of a minus b. 2 common. 2 common means a plus b by 2 is there, 2 cancel, we get a plus b, similarly a minus b. So 2 of sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b and sine 2c. Sine 2c means it is the formula sine 2t form. Sine 2 theta equal to 2 into sine theta cos theta. Instead of theta here we have c, therefore 2 into sine c into cos c. And here sine of a plus b. What is the value of sine of a plus b? We calculated what is the sine of a plus b. Beginning of the problem we calculated sine of a plus b. Okay, sine of a plus b equal to sine c. I will replace that sine of a plus b here, sine of a plus b here with sine c from equation 1. From equation 1 sine of a plus b equal to sine c. Therefore I will replace sine of a plus b by sine c. Therefore next step, 2 into sine of a plus b cos of a minus b into 2 sine c cos c. This sine of a plus b is replaced with sine c because by using equation 1 from equation 1. So 2 into sine c into cos of a minus b, 2 sine c into cos c as it is. Therefore here 2 sine c is common. 2 sine c common, cos of a minus b and we get cos c. And here what is the cos c value? I will replace by using second equation. What is this cos c? Okay, cos c means let us look at cos c. What is the cos c? Sorry, cos c. What is the cos c value? Cos of a plus b equal to minus cos c. Minus cos c means if this minus goes to this side, we get cos c equal to minus of cos of a plus b. Cos c equal to minus of cos of a plus b. Okay, plus is there, therefore cos c equal to minus of cos of a plus b. So I am replacing cos c by minus of cos of a plus b. Therefore we get 2 into sin c cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b from the equation 2. So it is the formula, apply the formula cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b equal to 2 sin a sin b. Therefore 2 sin c, and this is the formula 2 sin a sin b. 2 into 2 4 sin a sin b into sin c. Sin a sin b sin c. Sin a sin b sin c. That is 4 into sin a sin b sin c. That is RHS. This is the problem. So first I calculated, I will repeat the problem. First I calculated in any triangle is given, therefore a plus b plus c equal to 180. A plus b plus c equal to 180, that is from a plus b equal to 180 minus c. From this I calculated sin of a plus b and cos of a minus b, a plus b. Sin of a plus b is sin c, cos of a plus b is the minus cos c. These two results will be useful while proving this result. Okay, and I am taking LHS sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c because it is 2 sin c plus sin d. I am taking first two terms sin c plus sin d formula where c equal to 2a and d equal to 2b, and here sin 2c formula 2 sin c cos c. Okay, simplifying, and I am replacing the sin of a plus b by sin c by using from equation 1, and 2 sin c is common from these two terms, and we get cos of a minus b plus cos, and this cos c is replaced by using equation 2. This is minus cos of a plus b. So 2 sin c into cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. This is the formula cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b equal to 2 sin a sin b. Substituting and multiplying, we get the resultant equation for sin a into sin b into sin c. Okay, let us look at the next problem. Prove that sin 2a minus sin 2b plus sin 2c equal to 4 into cos a into sin b into cos c. It is also same as a first problem, but instead of here sin c plus sin d, here sin c minus sin d. Minus is there, so sin c minus sin d. Apply sin c minus sin d, remaining problem is as it is. Okay, we get answer this one. Next, prove that cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c equal to minus 1 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c. Same in any triangle ABC, therefore a plus b plus c equal to 180, a plus b equal to 180 minus c, sin of a plus b equal to sin of 180 minus c, that is sin c. In the previous problem we see. Similarly, cos of a plus b equal to cos of 180 minus c, that is minus cos c. Same. Now we have to take LHS. Cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. In first two terms, cos 2a plus cos 2b is cos c plus cos d form, where c equal to a, b equal to, d equal to 2b. Formula 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. That is 2 into cos of 2a plus 2b by 2 into cos of 2a minus 2b by 2 plus cos 2c as it is. In 2a plus 2b by 2, 2 is common, a plus b by 2. 2 cancelled out, we get 2 of cos of a plus b, minus also same, a minus b by 2 cancel out, cos of a minus b, and cos 2c formula, cos 2 theta formula, 2 cos square theta minus 1, therefore instead of theta we have c, therefore 2 cos square c minus 1. And and here cos of a plus b replaced by, what is the cos of a plus b is replaced by minus cos c. Cos of a plus b is replaced by minus cos c from equation 2. So I will replace this cos of a plus b by minus cos c. So next step, 2 into cos of a plus b is minus cos c from second equation, cos of a minus b as it is, 2 cos square as it is, minus 1 is as it is. So I am writing this minus 1 first, minus 1, and next minus 1 is, I am writing this one, and from this minus 2 cos c, here also 2 cos c is there, minus 2 cos c is common. Minus 2 cos c is common means we get cos of a minus b, minus 2 cos c is common. In the first term we get cos of a minus b, here plus is there, therefore we get minus 1 cos c will be outside, 2 is common, 2 cos c outside, they will get minus cos c. Okay, cos of a minus b minus cos c. Next, minus 1 as it is, minus 2 cos c, cos of a minus b minus cos c. So again cos minus cos c. What is the minus cos c? From the equation 2, same equation, minus cos c equal to what? Cos of a plus b, plus cos of a plus, not minus, minus cos c equal to cos of a plus b. So from the equation 2, minus cos c equal to cos of a plus b, plus cos of a plus b, therefore minus 1 minus 2 cos c is same, cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b. Again it is formula, okay, from the equation 1, minus 1 minus 2 into cos c, cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b. So cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b formula, 2 cos a cos b. Okay, minus 1 minus 2 cos c as it is formula, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is 2 cos a cos b. Multiplication 2 into 2, 4 cos a cos b cos c, 4 into minus 1 minus 4 into cos a cos b cos c, that is RHS. Okay, so here same previous problem, this problem is same, but instead of here sin 2a sin 2b sin 2c, cos 2a cos 2b plus cos 2c, here cos c plus cos d formula and cos 2c formula and simplification. Okay, next homework problem, cos 2a plus cos 2b minus cos 2c equal to 1 minus 4 sin a sin b into cos c. Okay, same here cos c plus cos d, you have to use cos c plus cos d and cos 2c formula. Okay, do the homework problem. Okay, do the homework problem. Cos 2a plus cos 2b minus cos 2c equal to 1 minus 4 sin a sin b cos c. Okay, prove that. Same cos 2a plus cos 2b, apply cos c plus cos d minus cos 2c formula, then simplify, you get the answer. Next. Next homework problems. If sin x plus sin y equal to 1 by 2 and sin x minus sin y equal to 3 by 4, then prove that 6 into tan of x plus y by 2 equal to 5 into tan of x minus y by 2. This is first type problems. Apply sin x plus sin c plus sin d formula, that is equation 2. Sin c minus sin d formula, equation 4. 2 by 4, you get the answer. Same cos x plus cos y equal to, next problem, equal to 3 by 7. Cos x minus cos y equal to 5 by 9. Then prove that 27 into tan of x minus y by 2 plus 35 into cot of x plus y by 2 equal to 0. It is also same. For apply cos c plus cos d, here cos c minus cos d and divide the resultant equation, we get simplify, you get the answer. Next, if sin x plus sin y equal to 3 by 4, sin x minus sin y equal to 2 by 5, then prove that 8 into cot of x minus y by 2 equal to 15 into cot of x plus y by 2. It is also, you have to apply sin c plus sin d formula and sin c minus sin d formula, divide resultant equations and simplify, you get the answer. Okay, these are the problems on transformations and conditional identities. Do the homework problems and complete your fair notes. This completes our transformation chapter. And some more problems are there. In the next class, we will complete our transformation chapter. Okay, complete your fair notebooks and complete your homework problems. If you have any doubts in homework problem, please send me a message or call to me. Okay, thank you.